Welcome to Oma's Academy. I'll be teaching you how to go live on YouTube. That is for beginners. I don't know how to go live on YouTube. Before I practically show you how to go live on YouTube to get views, build your watch hours, and gain subscribers, there's something I want you to know. You will need to set your phone to desktop mode or use a laptop. If you don't have a laptop, do not panic. Just open a browser, any browser of your choice on your phone. I mean by setting your phone to desktop mode. Don't worry, I will show you in this video. Please do me a favor and subscribe to my YouTube channel, okay? That's the best way you can support and encourage me to upload more educational and impactful video. So that's it for now. So if you don't have laptop, all you need to do is to open your Chrome browser. Are you seeing this red dot line up there? Click on it. When you click on it, you're going to see set to desktop mode. You see it here. My own is not showing because I've already set it. So you will definitely see set to desktop mode, and then you click on desktop mode. Okay. So after that, you will type studio.youtube.com. studio.youtube.com. You are seeing it up there. Then you click on search. Okay, so this is your YouTube studio now. This is your YouTube studio. So when you look up here, you will see this crate, and under it you will see this arrow pointing up. Okay, yes, this arrow pointing up and this crate. So when you click on crate, you will see go live. So are you seeing it? The first one is upload video, the second one is go live. Okay, so under it you are seeing this arrow pointing up. Arrow pointing up is another way you can upload your video. Then the one beside it is also another way you can go live. If you don't want to use create to see the live button, you use this one in the middle. This is a live stream button too. So when you click on it, it will now take you to a section where you can go live. So if you're going live for the first time, this is what you're going to see. Welcome to YouTube Live Control Room. So if you want to go live now, you select the upper one. If you want to share though, then you select the second one. So after that, you see use your existing webcam for a quick and easy way to go live, or use an encoder. So you're going to select this first one, built-in webcam. You're going to select built-in webcam. So when you select it, you're going to allow them to use your camera and microphone to allow while visiting this site. So you click on allow while visiting this site. Okay, after giving them access to your microphone and the rest, so they will bring you here where you're going to write the title of your live screen. So this is where you're going to write the title of your live stream. Then the description is how you're going to describe more about your live stream. So under it is how do you want to go live. We have already selected webcam. Then the category now. When you click on category, you have to select the category your live stream falls in. Like me, I'm educating people. Okay, I want to teach you guys on how to live stream for the first time. So I think it's under education. So I'm going to select education. Okay. Then the last one is this fourth one is your thumbnail. This is where you're going to upload a thumbnail you have already designed. You can use Canva to design your thumbnail. Then your playlist, you can just leave that one. Then under here they said audience. This video is set to not to make kids. Okay, you're going to select whether this video is set for kids or not. I select no, it's not made for kids. Okay, then the age restriction. Okay, that's for age restriction. Then this one is paid promotion. You are going to leave it. But if your live stream is a paid promotion, you select it. Then altered content. Do any of the following describe your content? Make a real person appear to say do something they did not say. Select no. Then tags. I want to teach you guys about this tag. This tag is different from hashtags. So tags, you're not going to add hash. Like, you're not going to start with that hash, okay? You're just going to write your word. Like, my tags there is how to gain subscribers in 1,000, how to gain subscribers, 1,000 subscribers in 7 days. That is my tags. But this one is hashtag. If it's hashtag, you must include hash. You must include that hash on it. So after writing how to gain 1,000 subscribers in 7 days, this is how it's going to appear. You see? So you see, this is how it's going to appear. You are going to tag so many things. If you can tag so many things, like, okay, gain your subscriber fast, how to go viral fast. So you're going to write things, it's just like a keyword. Just like a keyword. Then your English, your language and caption certificate. Your stream language should be English, okay? Now this allow embedding. If you want people to download your live stream, you can, yeah, you can check the box. If you don't want them to download it, you leave it. So after all these things, you check down here, going to see next, then you move to the next level. So the next level is customization. You see, settings to tailor your streams to your needs. This is live chat. So you're going to check in live chat. If you want your live chats to replay, you're going to select replay. If you want live chat summary, you select it. Then the participant mode, who can send messages, you select. Anyone can send messages, or you can select subscribers. What this thing mean is, this is another way to grow your subscribers fast. Imagine that, okay, I've not subscribed to your channel and I want to send a message. I won't be permitted to drop a comment because I'm not yet a subscriber. This now will make me to subscribe to your channel so that I can able to drop a comment or ask question during the live stream. So if you want to grow if you want to gain subscriber fast, I would suggest that you set this your participant mode to subscriber, so that if anybody wants to ask you a question, that person needs to go and click on that subscription. That person needs to go and subscribe in order to send you a message or ask a question. Then the reaction should be live reaction. So once you are done setting all these things up, then you go and click on next. So this is the last part of the visibility. So if you want to go live immediately, you select public. But if you don't want to go live immediately, maybe you want to schedule it for the next day, this is where you're going to select the date. This is where you will select the dates of the day you want to go live. Okay. And you have to set your live stream to private or unlisted. Then when that day, the day that you scheduled for the day and the time you scheduled for your live stream, once that day reach, it will now go public automatically. On its own, it will go public and everybody will join the live stream, okay? But if you want to go live immediately, you select public. You don't need to schedule anything again. So after that, you look down there, you look down at your right hand side, you're going to see done. Okay, you click on done and your live stream is ready. So that's how to live stream for the first time. So please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on your notification to receive more educating content like this. Thank you for watching.